Okay, let's go.
Magandang hapon po sa ating mga kapolibit. Ito na po ang final na result sa pinasetup ni Bossing. Yan, all the way from Valenzuela City. Yan, si Bossing po ay nag-avail ng Starya seat. Sa first row po, Starya Captain seat. Sa second row, ganun din po. At sa third row, Starya 3-seater. Yan, as you can see mga Bossing, yung pinagbago ng loob ng unit ni Bossing. From stock seat to VIP setup na tayo mga Bossing. Starya seat mga Bossing, very comfort at affordable. Bakit po? Dahil po si Starya Captain seat, dual armrest, brand new, nare-recline, at with install na rin po yan mga Bossing. Yun o, ayos, ready to long ride na to mga Bossing. Comfort na magiging biyahe nila Bossing. Nag-avail na rin po si Bossing ng laminated wood flooring. 3/4 po ang kapal niyan. Solid na kahoy po yung mga Bossing. Kahit po matapunan ng tubig ay hindi po mag-a-absorb sa loob. Yung sa mga gusto po mag-avail ng ganitong setup, PM or tawag lang po sa Polybit Auto Works, yung one-stop shop. Thank you at God bless po.
Started in 2016, still riding strong. Polybit Auto Works, you can't go wrong.
Handy Bulacan, comfort is the key. Your van, your journey, customized by me. Van na masikip, kami solusyon. Space na maluwag, big transformation. Captain seat set up, leather so fine. Interiors upgraded, lahat ka-align. Mahahabang biyahe, we got your back. Swabe sa upuan, wala kang sakit sa likod. Undergo pintura, mechanical fix. Polybit Auto Works, got the total mix.
Kung hanap mo